Hey, what up guys, we're back with another mukbang today. You guys, I'm excited for this one. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up at the end of the video, you guys, and let's get digging because your boy's hungry. You guys, I got super good news. I'm excited to show you guys. First, let me open this. Today we got panda. Alright, we're gonna put the food right here. Let's see what we're working with today. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Look at this, guys. Chow mein, teriyaki chicken. Orange chicken. Oh my God. Beef and broccoli. Oh. And top it off, we got more chow mein. We got a mountain today. Whoa. Whoa. I think that's good, right, guys? Let me add more. And we're gonna go old-fashioned with the chopsticks. Let me show you a little thumbnail we're working with. Oh, look at this. So you guys, I'm excited because I finally got my Switch, my Nintendo Switch. So it's been fun playing it. Been playing with my daughter this weekend. Delicious. So I ended up buying it from OfferUp from someone. So yeah, I kind of overpaid for it, but it's fine. I ended up getting the protection plan. He showed me the receipt. He barely bought it. Like that day I bought it, he barely bought it in the morning. So I was able to get the protection plan. Ooh, what you know about that beef and broccoli? Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna dump everything. There you go. It's been a minute I had panda. So what have you guys been up to? It's crazy how like me playing my Nintendo Switch, like it brings a lot of memories. Like I used to be I'm still am a Mario fan. I love Super Smash Brothers, Super Mario, all the Mario like, games. Like I've always been a die-hard fan. Always. Like I remember playing the 64, the GameCube, the Game Boy Advance. What else? The Nintendo Wii, the Nintendo Wii U, and now the Switch. And it's funny because I got it for my daughter, but I'm the one playing it like a lot and I'm having fun with it. Nah, but I play with my daughter. Like we play together. It's just like I don't know if you guys know it comes with 2 joysticks, controllers. Yeah. Other than that, you guys, just chilling at home, doing that quarantine life. Really can't do much. Wow, this is so bomb. I can't grab this no more. I'm gonna get the fork. Here you go. Yep. Oh my gosh, delicious. Oh my gosh, delicious, like I said. But that's it for today's video, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up at the end of the video, you guys, please. Add me on Instagram. It'll be right here. And make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Other than that, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on the next video.